Okay guys, today on Chris Does What, we're going to use this Cuisinart to make waffle fries. And you know, it's Chris Does What, but Danielle does it better. So let's get to it.
I microwave the potato so that you can have it cooked because you don't want to stick raw potato in there. And you cut them into coins. So I'm gonna do like cut it in half and maybe 3 out of there. And then next I'm gonna brush them with oil. And so a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna put them on there. The oil is right here.
Here's the salt. We're using all natural sea salt, and we're using some kind of special organic oil.
No, it's just 100% pure olive oil. If you use a lot of olive oil, you need to know that there's a lot of oils out there that are made with other oils that are not good for you. And I found out that after about 2 years of using the wrong oils and realizing it was upping our cholesterol.
Making me fluffy.
So I had to research, and this is one of the brands, California, which is 100% pure. So I'm just gonna brush them. This will help with a crisp, because you know that is our goal, is to get them kind of like more like fries.
Fries without the frying.
Well, I mean, olive oil, you know, I use it almost every day, but not in like a lot of amounts. I mean, I'm only using about that. What is that, like 2 tablespoons or something?
So she's lightly brushing it to reduce our fat content.
No, so I can crisp them up.
And so her husband's not fluffy.
And then I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt, because we don't do too much around here.
Salt makes the body retain
Actually,
water.
I want to put some in my hand because I don't want to put too much salt on it.
Yes.
Just like sprinkle it.
Nothing like having extra water retention. Oh, guys. Don't have to hold my beer this time. She's got this.
We're still waiting on this to get green. And
for main course, we're going to be doing broccoli and chicken. So,
no, the main course is grilled chicken, and we're doing a side of broccoli.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Non-cook.
Non-cook here, but you know, very healthy meal, and keep you a little trimmer. You know.
This is really taking a long time.
Is it plugged in?
Yeah, it's hot. It's getting there. It's because I turned it up to the highest to get it the highest crispiness that we can get it, because it is a waffle maker. So.
And if this doesn't crisp enough, my wife was talking about putting it in the oven.
All right, so that means they're both ready. I already have some oil in here from the other day, but these are already oiled, so we should be fine. We're just gonna put them on there.
Ooh.
They're already sizzling.
Smells yummy.
And then I'm basically just gonna smush them down. I do it slowly because I don't really want to break it, so.
Okay, waffle fries have been smushed. Now this is a double Belgian waffle maker, so we can do both sides.
Well,
Leave that side closed.
I didn't oil this side yet, so we'll just put a little bit in there. because I only have 2 left that I was doing.
Pure yumminess. And I've already had some of these. They're really good. So, yeah, I cheated. Sorry. And then you wait for the green light.
Green light is not. Well, it's because I only have half of it on, so I'll just switch it over.
Well, when this green light goes off, just wait a little bit longer, and the other green light.
It'll go off. It's because I've been. Well, it's probably because that side's heated. I'm still experimenting with this. I mean, my son makes waffles in it almost every morning, and I've been using it for other things, like experimenting with like fries and what was I trying to do the other day? It didn't work out.
Oh yeah, we did some, we mushed up some taters in the
I should have added
KitchenAid.
more flour, but that was a disaster, so learn your lesson. But hey, that's how you learn.
She's back.
Well, that one says it's done. Let's see what it's doing.
It's not though, that one never went off.
What do we have? Let's see what it's doing. See, it's getting crispy, but I don't think it's crispy enough, so I'm going to squish them back in there.
We should wait for this side to go off because the other light didn't de-illuminate because there's not much over there. So as soon as this goes off, we'll check this side, see how it looks, and then we can go through and check the other side. She stumped her toe on my foot.
I know, because I'm going to cut up more taters. He's in the way.
Yay, taters. I'm always in the way.
Is that on? Oh,
there it goes.
You can check them. I'll let you do that.
Oh.
I'll give them the special job.
Yes, for the special ed. Ooh, they have grill marks on. Ooh, that's hot. Ouch. So you see the special grill marks? Is that done or you want to try again?
I think they're done. If you want them more crispy, I was thinking about popping them in the oven and just, roasting them a little bit. Maybe for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or whatever. But, the waffle maker is only going to crisp them up so much, so.
So I'll pop these suckers out.
I have to check the chicken. Been so busy doing this, I forgot the chicken's on the grill out there.
Ooh, quite warm.
Yeah, see, I'm probably going to pop them in the oven to make them more crispier. But we just did this because it's like, we like to do different things with potatoes. They get boring, so.
So, if you want to make your own waffle fries, really simple in the Belgian waffle maker. And, it's quick, fast, give you some diversity with this one utensil in your kitchen. Like she said, if you want to crisp them up a little bit more because these aren't too crisp, just pop them in the microwave. She also did put these in the microwave before we put them in here to make them softer so you can smush them down.
Now, if you want to crisp them up, you pop them in the oven, not the microwave.
The oven, not the microwave.
The microwave will make them all soggy.
So if you want them more soggy, you pop them in the microwave. If you want them a little bit more crispy, you pop them in the oven. And like I said, she did microwave these to make them softer before we started this video. I should have led with that.
I don't think you should boil them. Just cooking the potato is all you need to do. I think I'm done.
Okay, so she says we're done. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It's down there somewhere. And y'all please take care.